All right, so we got it done. This is it. Wall attachment, Titan, adjustable pull down, low row, everything in here. So this is the next piece over here. Got one more coming up. And I've already made the space for it, so lat pull down, low row will go right there, boom. We just got these gifted. They were kind of left over from my cousin Eileen. She just moved into a house, so they were left over. They're real in really bad condition. However, I think we can bring these back to life. They're full of rust. So we got 2 gallons of vinegar. We're gonna let them sit maybe for like 3 nights. And I think the color on them is gonna be real nice because they look like a black with a, they're a black with a red lettering, which really matches the aesthetics of the gym. So I'm excited to see what these are gonna turn out like. So we're just gonna bathe these, like literally bathe them in vinegar. 2 gallons of vinegar over here. Let them soak.
You should probably flip it and then pour it on the top of the other one, so it gets in between.
So we made a Home Depot run earlier and I got a wire brush. So like once this is done bathing in here.
Flip that one over. Yeah.
Yeah, so once they're done like bathing in this vinegar, a lot of it is coming off already, like literally. You can already see it. But this water is going to be like completely black in a couple of days. But I got a red marker to kind of try to get that lettering back in there. I really like that lettering, so let's try to get this done. We'll come back to this in about 3 to 4 days. All right, so we're checking in on a Wednesday. The last couple of clips that you saw was a Wednesday. So I'm just scrubbing these with this brush over here and just really scraping the rust off. Who knows how long they were sitting in the garage for. So as you can see, little by little it's coming off. Once I get done with that, we're gonna go ahead and repaint everything a nice black with some red lettering again. So we'll come back to you guys in a little bit once it's all nice and finished. All right, so there we have it. That one came out really good. I was able to strip off enough of that paint. Just some of that red lettering coming off of there. These plates definitely look like they used to be black, and that's the best I'm gonna do on this job. I know a lot of you enthusiasts out there are gonna say it's a half-ass, but quite honestly, man, I'd rather have it done than perfect. These are just gonna go right back up. I'm not trying to resell these or whatever. This is just gonna be, just trying to bring them back to a little bit of life over here. So I'm gonna coat them with a little bit of spray paint, do both sides, and then we're gonna do the letters. So we'll be right back. All right, they are nice and painted, so we'll come back to these. I got a session coming up, so we'll come back to these in a little bit. Get the other side done, and then we'll get some lettering in there.